Hello everyone, Kitslam here and welcome back to another video here on the channel. Today we're going to celebrate National Mario Day. In the past we've done some work on the channel with Mario, most recently the inverted drawing of Mario Odyssey. But today we're going to do an M&M mosaic of our good friend Mario, and we're going to start that right now. And with that, our M&M mosaic of Mario is finished. Guys, what do you think? How did he turn out? Let me know in the comments down below. I've also left a card up above. Let me know which character you guys would like to see next. All of the mosaics from this M&M series are also available for sale on my Etsy page. So that link is left for you guys to check out. My name is Kitslam and I post a variety of creative art content here on YouTube. Subscribe for weekly videos and I'll see you in the comment section.